Alright guys, so we have another wing recipe coming right up once again. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, so to my brown sugar, I'm going to add some salt. Then I'm going to add some McCormick Grill Mates roasted garlic and herb spice. Put it down in there. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box. I'm also going to add some McCormick Cajun seasoning. You want to really spice your brown sugar up so your chicken won't be too sweet. It won't anyway because I'm doing a lot of wings. I'm also going to add my Lorren Canna sauce. It's basically a hot sauce. Right down in there, and then you just want to mix this up. I need to break up my brown sugar, so I'm pounding at it. Alright, so to my wings, you're going to add the sauce right down in there. The seasoning right down in there. And then I'm just going to mix it in really well. Get all the wings nice and coated. This is rare footage. Usually I don't even show me rubbing the seasoning into the meat, so I hope y'all enjoying this rare, super rare footage. Yeah, so you want to get all your wings completely coated. And alright, so these are what they look like. Have them down into my greased pan. I'm going to add my some Genevieve wine. I used a little bit I had left in another bottle versus opening the new bottle, so that's what I'm doing here. In the skillet here, I have some butter and golden raisins. I'm basically working on a rice. So that's pretty much what I'm doing right now. You want to saute your raisins for about 2 minutes. Then I'm going to start adding my rice down in here. This is washed, uncooked rice. This rice is not cooked yet. You want to add it down in there and saute it with the butter and the raisins. I made something very close to this recipe before. I'll link it below so you guys can see a more in-depth recipe. I'm adding salt, all-purpose seasoning, and some curry powder. And you're just going to let that cook out a bit and mix it up really well. Basically, you're just toasting the rice so it can add more flavor. So I like cooking my rice this way. It picks up more flavor when you toast it up a little bit, even if you're not doing anything special to it. Alright, so now I'm going to add my water down in here. Or you can use chicken stock, vegetable stock, anything other than water. I had water, I had to use water. And you're going to mix it up, and you're going to cover it and allow it to cook. And that's pretty much it for the rice. Alright guys, so basically I was super tired because I worked 16 hours. So this is the clip of what my plate of food looked like once I woke up. And I still had to rush to get out the door to get to work tonight. So that's the rice and how it looked. It was so delicious. I love the golden raisins, give it a pop of sweetness. These are the wings straight out of the oven. As you can see, they're nice and golden. And this is my plate once again, and I'll catch you guys next time.